Standard 10 Maths Part 1st Unit number 2 Quadratic Equations March 12 Part 1st. Hello friends, today we have discussed Maths Part 1st Unit number 2 Quadratic Equation. The chapter have 12 marks. Let us study the following points. First point is Quadratic Equation Introduction. Next one, method of solving quadratic equations. Third one, nature of the roots of quadratic equation. Fourth one, relation between the roots and the coefficient. And last one, application of the quadratic equation. Hello friends, please subscribe my channel for more educational videos. Let us recall, you have studied polynomials last year. You know the types of polynomial according to their degrees. When the degree of polynomial is 1, it is called linear polynomial. And if degree of a polynomial is 2, it is called as quadratic polynomial. For example, 3x plus 2, 7x minus 5, 5x. The degree of variable x is 1 and it is called as linear polynomials. Example 2, 5x square plus 3x minus 1, 7x square minus 3x plus 9. Polynomial variable x, the degree of variable is 2, is called as quadratic polynomials. See the activity. Classify the following polynomial into linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial. Linear polynomial means polynomial degree is 1 is called as linear polynomial, and quadratic polynomial, the degree of polynomial is 2 is called as quadratic polynomial. Linear polynomial, this polynomial degree is 1, this is the linear polynomial. Second is this polynomial degree is 2, it is quadratic polynomial. Three x minus 7, the degree of polynomial is 1, it means it is a linear polynomial. 3x square minus 5x, the degree of polynomial is 2 and this polynomial is quadratic polynomial, 3x square minus 5x. And 5x square, the degree of polynomial is 2 and it is quadratic polynomial. It is the classify of linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial. Next one point, standard form of the quadratic equation. It means the equation involving one variable, and having maximum index of the variable is 2 is called as quadratic equation. What is meant by quadratic equation? The equation involving one variable and having maximum index of the variable 2 is called as quadratic equation. The equation ax square plus bx addik c is equal to 0 is called as standard form of quadratic equation. Here a, b and c are a real number and a is not equal to 0. Activity. Complete the following tables. It gives quadratic equation, write down in standard form and the value of a, b, c. First quadratic equation, x square minus 4 is equal to 0. This quadratic equation is write down in standard form. Standard form of a quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic form of standard form of quadratic equation. First write down the equation, quadratic equation in standard form: x square plus 0x minus 4 is equal to 0. Variable x degree 1 terms to 0x, value of a 1, value of b 0, and value of c is equal to 4. Second quadratic equation: y square is equal to 2y minus 7. This equation write in standard form. First, y square, 2y goes to left side, this have plus, it goes to minus 2y, y minus 7, 7 is a minus, left side go to plus 7 is equal to 0. A is a coefficient of y square, a is a value of a is 1, value of b is equal to minus 2, and value of c constant is equal to 7. Third one, quadratic equation write in standard form: x square plus 2x plus 0 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 0. This type to complete the following table: quadratic equation and the standard form of quadratic equation, the value of a, b and c. Example: decide which of the following are quadratic equation. Example 1: x square plus 5x minus 2. In this equation, x is the only variable with highest index 2. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means in this equation one variable, only one variable in the highest index is 2 is called as quadratic equation. Second example: m cube minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0. In this equation, m is the m is the only variable with highest index is 3 and not 2. Therefore, the given equation is a not quadratic equation. Third equation, first we write in the standard form of quadratic equation. Solve the two brackets, multiply by one bracket to other bracket, m into m square, m minus 5, 5m, 2 into m plus 2m and 2 into 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. M square, addition of like term, minus 5m plus 2m minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0. In this equation, m is variable and highest index is 2. In this equation, m is the variable with highest index is 2. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. This type to decide which of the following are quadratic equation. Roots of the quadratic equation. The value of the variable which satisfy the given quadratic equation are called the roots of quadratic equation. For example, x square plus 5x minus 6. Put x is equal to 1 to this equation. 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 6 is equal to 0. Square of 1 is equal to 1. 5 into 1, 5 minus 6. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. X is equal to 1 is the roots of this equation. X is equal to 1 is the root of this equation. Satisfy two sides, left side and right side are equal, then x is the root of this equation. Determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equations are the root of quadratic equation or not. Example first, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. The value of x 1 and minus 1. Solution. First, substituting x is equal to 1. This is the left hand side and right hand, it is the right hand side. Left hand side, x square plus 4x minus 5. Substitute the value of x. 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. 1 plus 4 minus 5 is equal to 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 0 is the right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is the root of the given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. Next value minus 1. Substituting value of x is equal to minus 1 in this equation, left hand side x square plus 4x minus 5 minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5. 1 minus 1 square is equal to 1. 4 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. 1 minus 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 9 is equal to minus 8. And minus 8 is not equal to right hand side. Right hand side is a 0, and therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 is not the root of the given quadratic equation. The given quadratic equation. Example: if x is equal to 3 is one root of the equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0, find the value of k. Solution: x is equal to 3 is the root of given equation. Is the root of given equation. Substituting x is equal to 3 in the given equation. First, write down the equation. Kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Substitute the value x is equal to 3. Therefore, k into 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. The square of 3 is equal to 9. 9k minus 10 into 3 30 plus 3, 9k minus 30 plus 3 minus 27, minus 27, it goes to right side. 9 is the multiplied by k, 9 goes to right side to divide. Therefore k is equal to 9 3s are 27. The value of k, the value of k is